Yeah, so that has the one.
What's this over here?
Okay, so then we just have to hold the baby. So you don't know how old the baby is.
Yeah, they're all like, they were all born like within just a couple of weeks of each other. So they're all about the same age. So they all just started coming. See her pouches with. Yeah. Yeah. That's her. Oh, but now she's oh. Oh, really? Oh. Yeah.